Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your country or region on your Ubisoft account. To do that, click your account on the upper right, then click on Account Management. Now, in this section here, go ahead and ensure that you change language to something that you know. I'm going to change it right there in the lower right. Then scroll back up and click on Account Information. Scroll down and edit your personal information or your private information here in the upper right. And scroll down and here you have the country or region. So here it is currently showing that mine is in Czech. I can go ahead and I can just basically change the language. Now to change the country or region, click the question mark here, and here you can see it says to change this information, please contact customer support. So click on that. It's going to open up a new window. And from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down to where you'll find the option to contact us. It says can't find what you're looking for, contact us. Click on contact us. And here you want to go ahead and scroll down again, and you will find options here that says information or troubleshooting. It says general question, feedbacks, game issues, and troubleshooting. Then you also have the option that says account management and security. You want to click on account management and security from here. Then you have up the subcategory that says account information, and this is what you want to click on, so account information. And from here, you realize you don't have the information about what you can change. So I recommend that you scroll down and you use this description box to explain the reason why you need to change your country or region. Go ahead and type that in if you have anything like, bills or whatever it is that you want to use to say why you want to change your location or region. That could be that you recently moved to a new country or whatever it is. You can add some kind of utility bills or whatever it is to help to make the process faster, and that it will approve and change. But you can just simply write whatever reason you want to write or to state why you want to change that information. Go ahead and type it here and just simply click open case. And once you do that, it's going to send an email to the Ubisoft support, and they will be able to help you to change your location or region. And that's it. They'll be able to help you to change your country or region. And that's pretty much all that you have to do, guys.